In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Passwords and tap on blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, my sweater and all of those options are gray, which means that autofill is disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!